again, and welcome to our look at the Friday, December 19th trading session. As you can see, the calendar is in front of you. Really not a lot going on during the day. Really, the only high-level announcement is the Bank of Canada CPI number, core. Really not much of a market-moving number. Perhaps the Canadian dollar, that's about it. So with that, we're going to look at charts for technical setups for the session. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we broke out during the session on Thursday, clearing the 2020 level that we've been talking about. So with that, we are buyers of dips. We buy calls, as the market should continue to go much higher. Very strong session. Looks like we are going to head back to the 2080 level, which is something we had spoke about previously. Looking at the euro-dollar pair, you can see that we fell during the session on Thursday, testing the lows again. We need to get below the 1.2250 level in order to continue selling. But if we get a little bit of a rally, we would be willing to buy puts. This is a market that is going to continue to go lower long enough, given it a long enough time, but we could get a little bit of a short-term bounce. And the gold markets, as you can see, tried to rally during the session on Thursday, but found the area above $1,200 to be a bit too rich, and therefore it looks like we're buying puts again. This is a market that looks like it's ready to break down a little bit. Don't really have any interest in owning it, and on top of that, you have to keep in mind that the US dollar is strengthening, so that of course will weigh upon the value of gold in general. Pretty quiet session coming up with Christmas being right around the corner. Liquidity is going to be a real issue, so keep your trades small and short term.